How to use a or an before singular words. Just listen to the first sound of each word. Use an if the word starts with a vowel sound, like a, I, o, a. All other sounds are consonant. Here we use a with consonant sounds, like th, h, t, m, etc. Phone starts with th sound, which is a consonant, so use a phone. Egg starts with a vowel sound, use an egg. House starts with ha, so a house. Hour, this one's tricky. The H is silent. Now it starts with a vowel sound, hour. So an hour, not a hour. You even feel it's hard to pronounce two vowels in a row. Like a hour, hard, right? That's why they put an hour, to make it easier. Uniform, another tricky word. It starts with a vowel letter, U, but not a vowel sound. It sounds like Y in you and Y in year. So it's a consonant sound, not a vowel sound. We normally say a uniform. Umbrella. This one starts with a vowel sound, so an umbrella. Mouse. You answer this, guys. Go to the comments and show me your answers. Use a or an. Which words take a and which words take an? To do this exercise, you need to look at the first letter in each word here. If the word starts with a vowel, like a, I, e, u, o, it takes an. And all the other letters are consonants, like K, F, G, L, M, and so on. And all these consonants take A. Does it make sense? Okay, let's practice. Dog. The first letter is D, which is a consonant, so it takes A. So we say a dog or a dog. Orange starts with O, which is a vowel, so it takes an. Apple starts with A, which is a vowel, so it takes an. Spider. The S is a consonant, so it takes A. Fish, F is a consonant, so it takes A. Umbrella, the U is a vowel, so it takes an. Duck starts with D, a consonant, so it takes A. And lastly, egg. Can you do it? Tell me in the comments, guys, if the letter E is a consonant or a vowel. And what's the answer here? A or an? Here we go. My cat loves blank with me. Play, playing with ing, played with ed. What comes after loves? The verbs love, like, hate, start, begin. These verbs are followed by the ing, or to plus the verb. So the correct answer here is the ing, playing. My cat loves playing with me. And you can also say to play. My cat loves to play with me. Both correct. It's blank animal. A or an? Well, you need to look at the first sound here. If it's a vowel sound, a, I, o, a, use an. If it's a consonant sound, I mean any other sound, like p, t, k, l, m, etc., then use a. Here we have a sound, which is a vowel, and with a sound we use an. It's an animal. So we use an with vowel sounds. We say an elephant, an orange, but we say a mango. Who is blank man over there? This, that. What's the difference between this and that? Well, we use this with near things, but we use that with far things. Here we say that the man is over there, which means the man is far, and with far things we use that. Who is that man over there?